Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw in KuCoin. First, it's crucial to understand the withdrawal limits and any associated fees. Make sure your account is fully verified, as this often allows for higher withdrawal amounts. Always double-check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and the appropriate network for your transaction to avoid any issues. This foundational knowledge will make your withdrawal process smoother. Once you're ready, head over to the withdrawal section in your KuCoin account. From there, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move. This is a critical step, so take your time. Next, carefully input the recipient's wallet address. Accuracy here is paramount. Even a small error could result in lost funds, so always double-check. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on KuCoin withdrawals helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like managing your crypto assets, organizing your meals can be a breeze. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before finalizing, meticulously verify all the transaction details: the network, the amount, and especially the recipient's address. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes. Then, you'll need to enter your trading password and any two-factor authentication codes. Take a moment to review everything one final time. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process begins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.